So now I'm going to give you an overview of 3commas. It's another bot trading place, okay, that I know how to use. Like I told you, I've used 3commas, Pionex, KuCoinBots, and Bitsgap. Out of all these, my favorite, it's Bitsgap. Then 3commas, then Pionex, then 3commas, and then KuCoin. So let's start. But before I start, please subscribe if you want to learn more about crypto, day trading, bot trading, anything crypto, and more to make money. It's all about making money. And so here is 3commas. This is how it looks. So with 3commas, you're going to have to pay money. There's a free plan. Okay, there's a free plan. And you can have a subscription. And these are the subscriptions. 0, 1 active smart trade, 1 DCA bot, 1 grid bot, 1 option bot, unlimited scalper terminal. Paper trading is not supported. Okay. Paper trading is learning with play money. They don't have it in the free. But in the starter, they have $14 a month, and you have to do an annual payment. 3 days for free. Unlimited active smart trades, 1 DCA bot, 1 grid bot, 1 options bot, unlimited scalper terminal, and paper trading. So if you want to do paper trading, which is the demo, you should go with a starter. And I will put a link so you can actually sign up to 3commas with my link. Be sure that you use that link because it's the real link. There's a lot of fake websites to fish people's information. Then we got the advance, $24. You have to pay for that per month with an annual payment. 3 days for free, unlimited active smart trades, unlimited DCA bots, 1 grid bot, 1 option bot, unlimited scalper bots, paper trading, and the last one is Pro, $49 a month, unlimited active smart trades, unlimited DCA bots, dollar cost averaging bots, where you buy a little bit at a time, unlimited grid bots, unlimited option bots, unlimited scalper terminal, and paper trading. Okay, so that's the pricing, and we go to the here. Go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Okay, there's some bots where you can actually connect to an API to a bunch of exchanges. That's example is Bitsgap. And there's places like Pioneers and 3commas where you trade within that place, okay, within that platform. So here they have a new thing called grid bot presets are here, launch yours today. I don't like using any presets anywhere for bots. I prefer setting my bots because I've been doing this for a year. You can register your account and get a free 30-day access to 3commas, so you can connect Binance here. Okay, my DCA bots, my smart trades, my marketplace, bot presets. These are bots that are already preset where you just basically do copy trading, but it's copy bot. Copy trading is when you, example, if I was day trading and I told you that what I'm doing, specifically numbers, and you follow me, that's copy. You will be copy trading my trades. Well, there's a thing called copy bot trading. So you could actually use these presets, but those are not going to be as good as you setting them yourself. Okay, you setting them yourself. 21% month, 20% month. You can connect exchanges. This is you can connect a bunch of exchanges so that you can actually use your hot wallet and trade from there. These are some of them. In Pionex, you can actually just send money there and trade from within the platform. You don't have to connect it to any exchange like Pionex and Bitsgap. But these are the changes that they actually, so I can come here and then connect my KuCoin account. And I will need to create an API secret and passphrase, and then connect here, and then I could trade here. We got smart trading, which is an advanced tools for setting up your trade strategies and exchanges. We got introduction, smart trading terminal, introduction, smart trade, terminal. You have to connect an API. But you can use demo, but not in the free plan. Okay, then we got trading bots. We got a DCA bot, a dollar cost average bot, where you can buy, example, $1 of Bitcoin every day, or $500 of Bitcoin every week, or whatever you set. Okay. Create any DCA bot. DCA bot opens trades based on signals. Gordon, ready-made strategy, minimal settings. Wizard, for 3commas newcomers in advance. So if I wanted to set one of these, I will go with the advanced. And you have to actually put all the information here and know what you're doing to set this up. Not gonna set up anything here. This is only showing the interface. So if you're new, you don't know how to do it, you will use presets. But like I told you, presets are not the best. Okay, they're not the best. And this is telling you how to use this. So here you can just click here and then start the bot. It tells you the minimum amount you need, and then you will start a bot. Logically, I don't have money here, so it's not gonna start anything, but that's copy trading. I wouldn't do copy trading. Presets, grid bot. This is one where you can choose your settings. Hodlbot is a way to basically hold into specific coins you want to keep for a long time. You can hodl with bots, guys. You can make money as you hodling your coins. 3commas has one, and Bitsgap, you can create one with specific settings that you do. We got an options bot. These are the bots that are using leverage. You long or short the market. These are this is the ones that are very, very risky, very advanced bots that I wouldn't recommend. You need to actually have a connected to the Rivet, which is a place where you can actually do derivatives and futures and margin trading and all that stuff. And then you got a marketplace of bot presets. Told you they're not the best to do. And you got an app store, install, favorite. So I can actually come here, and if I want one of these, I can actually, some are free, some are not. I guess you see this one, you have to subscribe. Bot and advanced bot analytics tool. This is an analytics tool, so you will pay some money for it. There's more things here. See? And if you want a specific coin, you can choose the coin. I want XRP because I'm an XRPer. They don't have any. So they're blocking us from XRP here. Here you can see that I have a free plan. And here you can see my information. And the portfolios, traders diary, subscription, settings, and blah, blah, blah. So this is an interface of walk interface of 3commas. 3commas. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to sign up to 3commas, I'll leave the link in my bio. Be sure you use the link because, like I said, there's fake links out there where they fish your information and steal your money. So thank you for subscribing, hitting the bell icon, and share. And this is Mari Cruz, bringing you the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. Take care and peace.